Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Sheikh Faizan. Today's 15 January 2024. Today's my technical topic is Object Oriented Programming System in Java Programming Language. First of all, what is OOPS? OOPS is an object oriented programming system that use four pillars for the increasing the reusability of the code and increase the security of the code and efficiency of the code. First of all, inheritance, encapsulation, and abstraction and polymorphism. I will discuss one by one. In Java, polymorphism achieved by the method. In Java, there are two types of polymorphism. First is compile time polymorphism and next is runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is also called as method overloading. In method overloading, we can declare the multiple method of a same name passing a different types of argument. Next is method overriding. Method overriding, it is a runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism we can achieve by using of inheritance concept. For example, we have two classes, class A and class B. Then we can override the method of class A in class B and assigning to the specific task for that particular method is called as method overriding. Next is encapsulation. Encapsulation, it is the process of binding the data into a single entity. Encapsulation is achieved by setter or getter method in Java programming language. Next is abstraction. Abstraction, it is a process of hiding the implementation and showing the importance feature to the user. In Java, there are two ways to achieve the abstraction. First is by using abstract classes and second is by using of interfaces. First of all, what is the abstract classes? In Java, abstract classes are defined by using of abstract method, abstract keyword. In abstract class, there are two types of method. First is a concurrent method as well as abstract method. It is called as partial abstraction. Next is by using of interfaces. Interfaces is like a classes is have only abstract methods, and by using of as interfaces we can achieve 100% abstraction in Java programming language. Next is inheritance. Inheritance, it is the process of acquiring the properties of parent class into child class. In Java, there are basically three types of inheritance. First is single inheritance. Single inheritance means the one class is acquire the properties of parent class in single way. It's called single inheritance. Next is multiple inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, there are many classes or chain of classes. The parent class is the child class is acquired the properties of parent class, and parent class acquired the properties of grandparent class. In this chain and in this types, we can achieve multi-level inheritance. Next is hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, in which there are multiple classes for the inheritance. For example, we have two types of two classes, class A and as well as class B. Then class C is extend the properties of class A, and Next, class D. Class D as well as extend the properties of class B, that is parent class. It is hierarchical inheritance. Next, last one is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance in Java achieved by interfaces, and by using of interfaces we can achieve multiple inheritance. Therefore, it is all about the object oriented programming system in Java programming language. Thank you.